Be honest. How many times have you scrolled today? If you can't make it through a 3-minute video without checking the comments, congrats. You're not lazy. You're just the proud product of the world's most profitable brain rewiring experiment. Welcome to the scroll zombie era. But here's the twist. Zombies can be cured. See, everyone says just delete TikTok. Right. And while you're at it, maybe delete Oxygen too. The problem isn't the app, it's the architecture. Short-form content hijacks the same part of your brain casinos do. Tiny, unpredictable rewards. Infinite novelty. Zero friction. It's not entertainment anymore. It's a slot machine you carry in your pocket. And every swipe says, "Hit me again." What happened to your brain? Your brain loves patterns until it drowns in them. Each clip gives a microdose of dopamine, training your neurons like lab rats pressing a lever for snacks. Over time, your mind learns. Why chase deep satisfaction when shallow dopamine is one thumb away? Congratulations! You've traded depth for volume, focus for frictionless distraction. And the worst part? You call it relaxing. But don't panic. You can reverse it in 14 days. No monasteries, no cold showers, no $1,000 courses. Just 5 simple rules that rebuild the muscle you forgot you had. Focus. Rule 1. Friction first. Step 1. Make scrolling painful again. Move every short-form app off your home screen. No, you won't die. Turn off every notification that isn't a human being or a fire alarm. And when you work, put your phone far enough away that you actually have to stand up to grab it. If you're too lazy to get it, congratulations. You just created a productivity system. 2 focus blocks a day, 15 minutes each. Fail? Make them 10. The point is, wins, not willpower. Rule 2. Single screen. One screen, that's it. No podcast in the background. No quick tab check. Your brain's RAM can't run 3 browsers at once. It crashes. So, twice a day, set a 25-minute timer. At the end, write 1 sentence. What did I move forward? If that sentence feels embarrassing, perfect, you've got something to fix tomorrow. Rule 3. Long-form ramp. Next, rebuild your attention span like a muscle. Read or watch 1 long-form thing every day for 20 minutes. Book, article, documentary, doesn't matter. The key is no skipping, no scanning. When you're done, summarize it in 3 bullets. Yes, with your hands, writing helps. You'll notice something weird. After about a week, real concentration starts to feel good again. Like stretching after years of sitting. Good. Rule 4. Create more than you consume. By now, your brain's hungry. Feed it creation, not consumption. For every 20 minutes you watch or read, make something tiny. A note, a voice memo, a sketch, a mind map, whatever. Because creation gives dopamine too. But the healthy kind, the kind you earn. And it rewires your brain from next clip to next idea. That's the real detox no one talks about. Rule 5. Social contract. Accountability beats motivation every single time. Tell one friend you're doing the 14-day focus reset. Or, better, comment day 1 under this video. Public shame works wonders. You think I'm kidding. Come back on day 7 and tell us how it's going. Your streak starts when you do. By day 7, your brain will feel quieter. By day 14, you'll sit for 30 minutes without itching for a dopamine hit. You'll actually finish things. You'll read slower and remember more. You'll feel a kind of calm that algorithms can't sell you. That's what real focus feels like. And once you taste it, you won't go back. So, from scroll zombie to focus machine, 14 days, 1 rule, attention is currency. Stop giving it away for free. Comment day 1, save this video, and I'll see you on day 7. Let's rebuild your brain.